Hey guys, it's a Monday today. It's July 13, 10:49 a.m. and I just finished eating my breakfast. Actually, I ate a pain au chocolat. Is that how you pronounce it? It's good but mas gusto ko pa rin yung apple Danish or blueberry Danish ng French baker, I think. Today I'm going to make mayak eggs. I'm gonna change my bed sheets. And I think maglalaba rin ako today para tapos na yung labada ko for this week. Tsaka kasi ang dami ko ng clothes dun sa hamper ko. So, yeah. And may sampayan pa naman. So, baka maglaba ako. It's so hot today. Kahapon malamig kasi may ulan kahapon. Yun na lang yung ulan ulit na malamig. You guys know what I'm saying. I'm going to change my bed sheets right now before I do anything else just so my room is clean and I'm gonna sleep later ng mahimbing kasi bago yung bed sheets ko. My bed sheets, they're all here. So, let's get. Lalabhan ko rin to kasi parang ang tagal ko na hindi to nilalabhan. So, labhan na natin siya. I don't know if napakita ko na to sa inyo but ito yung slippers na binili ko sa TikTok shop. It's so cute. I love pigs. Okay, hindi ko alam anong bedsheet pipiliin ko. Out of all my pillows, ang pinakamahirap lagyan is etong hotdog. This is a workout, guys. I'll just take a break because I have to post something on TikTok. Pillow time. I'll be using this blanket for 2 weeks. Then after 2 weeks, I change my sheets again. Okay guys, let's go down. I'm going to make mayak eggs and lalabhan ko to. Feeling ko hindi na ako magwa-washing machine yung sa garage. Yeah, baka hindi na ako magganon today. For today, hindi ako maggaganon today. I need 10 eggs. Okay guys, it's time to make yung marinade. I need 1/2 cup soy sauce, 1/2 cup water, 1/4 cup honey, onion, green onion, garlic. Hindi ako maglalagay ng chili pepper. And sesame seeds, di ako maglalagay nun. So, I need an onion, garlic. Guys! Akala ko wala ng garlic. There's like, sobrang onti na lang nga natira. Here's my garlic and here's my onion. Where's my green onion? Then maglalagay akong onting lemon. Cause, wala lang. Where's my toyo? May toyo, tapos mamaya na ako ng water. Hindi ko alam if okay na yung egg ko or onti pa, like 5 minutes. Tapos ilalagay ko na sa ice water. Ilalagay muna ako here. Actually, hindi ko ito i-measure. Bruh. I didn't even wash this yet. Wait. More? Gamitin ko na ba lahat, guys? Time for the soy sauce and water. Emergency. I have to boil it again. It's way too soft boiled. What the heck? Tingnan nyo to, guys. That's the first egg. Guess I'll have to wait. Okay, guys. I hope it's ready now. I'm actually gonna try if hindi pa rin to boil. Wala akong pake. Ilalagay ko to. Ka-crush out na ako. Bakit ang pangit ng itlog? Pangit ng pagka-boil. But fine. It's my first time. May pinapagalitang bata. Si Melo. Guys, oh my god, it's so bad. Like, why is it like this? But, sayang yung egg. So, ilalagay ko to lahat. 7 more crush outs. Kasi ang pangit ng pagka-boil ng eggs. Oh my god. Now, it's just 10 eggs. Sige guys, okay na to. Kakainin din naman. Naiinis ako.
Bakit ganyan nilagam?
Ha?
Mali yung ano mo. Anong ginawa mo?
Binoil ko.
Dapat binuboil mo siya, isasama mo na doon para nagbo-boil siya kasama. Ang ginawa mo, binag-boil mo muna yung water, tsaka mo sinot. Eh wala, ganyan talaga.
Bakit ganon? Sabi sa Google daw, ano eh.
Talaga?
Guys, I'm eating fried liempo and yung boiled egg na failed boiled egg. I'm eating 2 of the failed boiled eggs. How fishes sleep. Hindi ko na kaya i-zoom in, but you see like this. Oh my god, they move. Yeah, they were sleeping. Whatever. Of course, let's wash the dishes. I'm gonna wash these. Hey guys, I'm done with my Labada for this week. Kakatapos ko lang magsampay. It's 2:54. And now, I'm gonna take a bath and clean the CR before I take a bath. So yeah, then after I clean the CR and take a bath, I'm going to rest. Habang nag-rest ako, I think I'm gonna color and then read a few chapters dun sa pinabasa kong book, which is The Score, because I am tired. So yes, I'll see you guys later. I didn't color my book. I didn't read. I just slept until 6 p.m. And then I ate dinner. Tinikman ko yung mayak eggs na ginawa ko. It's so good. The problem is that hindi nga lang perfect yung soft-boiled eggs. So I'm gonna boil again tomorrow. And right now, I'm downloading Discord because I deleted my Discord sa laptop kasi wala nang storage yung laptop ko. Because tonight is game night. My friends and I are gonna play Roblox. And I'm so excited. Because I haven't played Roblox na sobrang tagal na. So, I can't wait to play. Guys, I'm playing ASMR Squishy Tower. Oh my god. Ba't wala yung butter? Ayun. You should say hi to my vlog.
Oh my god! We're vlogging!
We're playing Clean the Library, guys. Alicia and I just finished playing Clean the Library. Now I'm playing yung hospital game. Anomaly thingy. What do I do? Hey guys, it's 12:43 a.m. and I'm not yet asleep. I'm gonna do my skincare. I'm going to sleep after this. Probably scroll on TikTok. Magsa-skincare na ako every night, guys. I have to. This one works, guys. Like, this one works. Kaya bumili na ako ng glass mismo. Kasi ito lang lagi binibili ko, yung nasa parang travel size na serum ng Pond's. After that, moisturizer. Paubos na to. But I have another one, so I don't have to buy. I played Roblox with Alicia, and then I played on my own after that. I played like a spelling game. Tapos yung game na parang, kunwari, the other player says ban. The last word of ban is N. So you have to say a word, or you have to type a word na starts with letter N. So you can say nature. Tapos lagi akong second place. Kaya nakakainis. And then for the last step, lalagyan ko yung pimple ko nitong YOU Acne Plus Spot Care Pro Serum. Kasi eto guys, this one works also. Like, it dries out my pimples so fast. Etong pimple ko dito, nakalubog to. Nakalubog to like 3 days ago. Tapos nilalagyan ko lang nito. Ngayon pa wala na siya guys. I love this so much. I'm gonna put this sa lashes ko. May time kasi na nakalbo yung eyelashes ko. Hindi ko alam bakit. Pero feel ko kakamaskara ko yun nun. May time na nagka-space dito yung lashes ko. Tapos bumili ako nito. Then boom. After like 3 weeks, tumutubo na ulit yung lashes ko. So, you just have to be patient. Tapos hindi na masyadong nagpo-fall out yung lashes ko because of this. It's kind of expensive, but I swear guys, it works. I just have to put Vaseline on my lips. Kasi if I don't, ang dry ng lips ko. Ito yung pinaka-last sa routine ko kapag gabi. I always put hand lotion sa kamay ko. Kasi ayoko dry yung hands ko pag natutulog. Thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next memory. Bye guys!